Now, so in activity first, the next fifth bit, fill in the blanks from the given statements. Some statements are given. On the basis of the statements, we should fill the blanks. The first statement, there are 8 roses. 7 roses, 8 sunflowers in a garden. So ratio of the roses to sunflowers, that is 7:8. So according to the statement, the ratio is 7:8. The next one, the ratio of sunflowers to total flowers. First sunflower, 8 sunflowers means 8:, sunflowers to total flowers. Total flowers means 7 plus 8. 15 we should write. Okay, sunflower to total flowers. Sunflowers we have 8 and total flowers 15. So total flowers means we should add roses and sunflowers. 7 roses and 8 sunflowers. If you add both 7 plus 8, that is 15. So the ratio of sunflowers to total 8:15. The next one, the roses to total flowers. How many roses? 7 roses. 2 means ratio. Total flowers 15. 7:15. So these are the 3 answers on the basis of the first statement. So this is our first statement. Okay. Now the second statement, here there are 12 comic books, 5 novels. So 12 comic books and 5 novels in a shelf. Here what he is asking, ratio of the novels to comics. So novels to comics means here to here is asking, that is 5:12. 5:12. Now the total ratio of novels and total books. How many novels we have? 5. Total books, 12 plus 5, 17. 5:17. In the next one, comics to total books. Comics, how many comics books we have? 12. And total books 17. So these are the 3 answers on the basis of the second statement. Okay. The third statement, there are 19 girls, 14 boys in the bus. 19 girls, 14 boys. The ratio of girls to boys. So 19:14. This is part to part. Girls to boys. The next one, so part to whole given, that is girls to total means whole. So girls, how many girls we have? 19. Total, what is the total ratio? 19 plus 14, that is 23. 19 ratio 23. This is part to whole. The next one, boys, the ratio of boys to total number. Boys, how many boys? 14 boys. Total numbers 23. 14:23. So these are the ratios on the basis of the statements. Okay. Now the next 6th question, solve the following problems. Here some word problems are given, so we should solve. So in a school there are 900 boys and so 900 boys and here 600 girls. 600, how many girls? 600 girls. So 900 boys and 600 girls. Then complete the ratio, so of boys and girls, that is complete the ratio of boys and girls. First he is asking boys and girls, so then how to find? So here boys, how many boys? Number of boys, how many boys we have? 900. So and number of girls, how many girls? Number of girls, so 600 girls. So ratio of boys and girls, ratio of boys and girls, ratio of boys and girls. How many boys? 900 boys ratio, how many girls? 600 girls. 900 ratio 600. So in 100 table, so 100 9s, 100 6s, so 9 ratio 6. Again these two again, so cancel in 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Then simplified. So what is the ratio of boys and girls? 3:2. 3:2. Okay students. So now the students see here. So Mohan earns 10,000 rupees. His earnings 10,000 rupees. He spends 8,000. So towards house rent and other miscellaneous. So what is the ratio between expenses and earnings? Expenses and earning ratio he is asking. So first steps. Mohan's earning. Mohan's earnings. So rupees 10,000. Rupees 10,000. Expenses. So what about expenses? 8,000 rupees his expenses. Now so ratio between, now we should find ratio between so expenses and earning, and ratio between expenses and earning. So expenses and earning, what are the earnings? 10,000 rupees. So ratio 8,000 rupees. So this is about the expenses. So expenses, he is asking expenses first. We should take expenses first. So what about the expenses? 8,000 expenses. Then after that earnings, 10,000 earnings. Here. So this will cancel in. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 3 zeros will get cancelled. Means in 1,000 table. 1,000 8s, 1,000 10s, 10,000. Now 8 and 10 both cancel in 2 table. 2 4s 8, 2 5s 10. So that is 4:5. Okay. So now, so here in the third question, in an animal sanctuary, so there are 48 deers, 64 monkeys. Find the ratio of the deer to monkeys. Deer to monkeys. Okay. Now here, so number of deers, number of deers 48. So now, so number of monkeys, number of monkeys, how many monkeys? 48. Okay. So now ratio of deer to monkey, deer to monkeys. Here monkeys 64, that is 48 ratio 64. Now these two are divisible by 12 table. 12 4s are, so 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. 12 4s are 48. Now students see here 48 and 64, no? So these two are divisible by 16 table. So 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64. 16 4s are 64. The ratio of deer and monkeys 3:4. Okay. So now the next question. So Raju scored 56 in maths, 84 in science. So Raju's score in maths. So what's his score in maths? 56 marks. Okay. So score in English, score in science, score in science, that is 84. Score in science is 84. Now find the ratio of his score maths to science. So ratio of score maths to science, mass to science is equal to 56 ratio 84. 56 ratio 84. So now into table. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again with 7. 7 4s are 28, 7 6s are 42. Again with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3. So this is the ratio. Okay, students. Now the students see here. So the fifth question: a fruit seller bought 75 mangoes. 75 mangoes, 125 apples from the vendor. So find the ratio of the mangoes to apples. Mangoes to apples, we should find the ratio. First, mangoes seller bought. Seller bought is equal to 75. Okay. So mango seller bought. Okay. So mango seller bought 75, and after that apples he bought how many? 125 apples he bought. Then ratio of mangoes to apples. Ratio of mangoes to apple is equal to mangoes to apple. How many mangoes? 75. Apple 125. Mangoes to apple, the ratio. So these two are divisible by 25. 25 3s are 25 5s are 125. 3 is to 5. So the ratio of mangoes to apple is 3 is to 5. Okay. The next question: Hamilton School maintained library with 81 books and 90 maths books. 81 books and 90 maths books. In your textbook, once you see 81, so 81 English books. 81 English books given. How many? 81 English books. 81 English books. 81 English books, 90 maths books. Find the ratio of the number of English books to maths books. Okay, English to maths. First, number of English books. Number of English. Number of English books. How many English books? 81. Number of maths books. Number of maths. Number of maths books. 90. The ratio of English books. English books to maths books. Maths books. That is 81 ratio 90. Then in 9 table, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. That is 9 is to 10 ratio. Okay, students. So now the students, next concept is proportion. So what is proportion? So proportion, here proportion says that two ratios are equal. If two ratios are equal, then we can say that they are in proportion. They are in proportion. Okay. So that for that one example is given here. 1/3. So circle is in yellow color out of the 3 circles. If one circle is yellow color in out of 3, so then 2 circles are in yellow color out of 6. They are in proportion. They are in proportion. So if one circle is yellow in out of 3, then 2 circles are proportion in out of 6 circles. Okay. So this is mean proportion. So these are two same. So here 1 out of 3 are in yellow color. Here 2 out of 6 are in yellow color. In the same way, rope length is given. Here rope length. Here rope length is 20 meters length of rope we have. How much? 20 meters. So here 20 meters rope weight is 1 kg. If you make it double, then 40 meters. Then what is the weight of the 40 meters rope? If 20 meters rope is 1 kg, then 40 meters rope weight is 2 kg. So they are in proportion. So here length of the rope is doubled. Here weight is also will double. So here 20 meters rope is 1 kg, then 40 rope length is 20 kg. It means 20:1. 20:1 is equal to 40:2. Okay, so this is about proportion. Proportion means equal. So if the two quantities are in equal, so then we can say that they are in proportion. Okay students. Now students, see here, so when the shapes are in proportion, the relative sizes are the same. Relative sizes, if means when the shapes, whatever the shapes are same, then relative sizes are also in proportion. How it is? See here, in the example he has given, so in the example in your textbook, so 2 dogs were given. So one dog, the face means the face length is 10 meters. So and his length means the dog length is 20. So another dog face length is 15 and the total length of the dog is 30. So then they are in proportion. How they are in proportion? So if you cancel with 2 table, 2 4, 10 2s are, so 10 1s are 10 2s are, it is 1/2, 15 1s are 15 2s are. They are in 1/2 and 1/2. So that means they are in proportion. They are in proportion. Relative sizes are same. Okay, in the same way, so in example 10 balls cost 100 rupees. What is the cost of each ball? One ball cost is asking. One ball cost is asking. Then how to find one ball cost? So one ball cost. How to find? The total cost divided with 10 balls. The total cost is divided with 10 balls. 10 1s are 10 10s are. It is about 10 rupees. So it is about 10 rupees. Each ball cost is 10 rupees. The total cost should divide with number of balls what he got in that. So then you'll get answer, that is unit price, that is one ball price. Here in the second question, 5 books cost 150 rupees. What is the cost of 12 books? First here we should find the unit price, then after that 15 books price we should find. So first one book price. What is one book price? 150 by 5. 150 by 5, that is 5 1s are 5 3s are 15, 30. So rupees 30 rupees. One book price is 30 rupees. One book price is 30 rupees. Now 12 books price. 12 books price. Now this unit price is multiplied with 12. 30 into 12. 30 into 12. 12 3s are 36 and this 0. 360 rupees. 360 rupees. Then 30 books price is 360 rupees. Okay. Now the next one, a boy who has 3 feet tall, so his shadow length is 7 feet long. So how can so tall a man cast a shadow 14 feet? So if a man is having 14 feet, then what is the shadow length? Here first shadow, so tall ratio shadow is equal to height. First you take height ratio shadow is equal to height ratio shadow. So what is the height here? 3 feet tall. If 3 feet tall, then what is the shadow length? Shadow length is 7 feet. If what is the height when the shadow is 14? When the shadow is 14 feet. Okay. So now that is 3 by 7 is equal to h by 14. Now if you transpose 14 here, then 3 into 14. 3 into 14 by 7 is equal to height. 7 1s are 7 2s are, then 3 2s are 6. Height is equal to 6. So when a man is 6 feet height, then his shadow is 14 feet. 3 feet is 7 feet, then 6 feet is 14 feet. Okay. So now in activity 2, find the missing number in the given number. Missing number we should find. Here 2:7, 10 is to what? So first we should check in 2 table when you will get 10. 2 5s are. Here also you should multiply with 5. So that you will get 35 here. 35 here. In the same way, in 4 table when you will get this 20, 4 5s are, it means 5 also we should multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25, we should write here. Now here, so in 3 table, when you will get 12, 3 4s are, 3 4s are. In 4 table, when it will divide, 4 5s are, 3:5. If here is a smaller number, we should check like this. In 3 table, when you will get 12, 4s are. So with that number, when this number will come, so that you have to check. So 5s are. When here smaller number are there, if you are smaller number, then you will do like this. If the bigger number are there, just multiply and write. Now here the second number is given. In 3 table, when you will get 9, 3 3s are, it means here also you will get 3s are, 2 3s are 6. Here the bigger number means only multiply. In 6 table, when you will get 36, 6 are. Here also we multiply with 6, 1 6 are 6. Here is smaller number. So when smaller numbers are given, then how to do? First we should check the second with second. In 5 table, when you will get 5, 5 5s are 25. In that 5, when you will get this 15, 5 3s are. That you write here. Here smaller numbers are there, unknown number is a smaller number. This is the method to do. Okay. Now, so this is a smaller. The second number is smaller, no? So then in 3 table, when you will get this 3, 3 3s are 9. In this 3, when you will get this 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So now here, so these two are equal. So here also you will get equal, 8 only. 8:4 and 8:4. So now in 7 table, when you will get 49, so here 7 7s are. Here also you should multiply with 7. 1 7s are 7. Okay. So when bigger number is unknown, so then just you multiply. So with that number, what the product will come, that you keep there. If smaller number is unknown, so just to take when it will come in the table, the second number when it will come, so that you take in the unknown place. Okay. Now here, whether the following are in proportion or not, how to check they are in proportion or not? See here. So first you multiply 2 with 4, 2 with 6, 2 6 are 12, and middle 3 4s are 12. 12 is equal to 12. We are getting the same, they are in proportion. If equal, then they are proportion. Now, so here also you should multiply. 18 1s are 18, then 6 4s are 24. 18 is not equal to 24. Not in proportion. Not in proportion. Not in proportion. Okay. Now the next. 3 3s are 9. So 1 5s are 5. 9 is not equal to 5. They are not in proportion. Not in proportion. Not in proportion. The next one here also. So 2 20s are 40. Then after that 8 5s are 40. 40 is equal to 40. It means proportion. If equal, proportion. If not equal, they are not in proportion. So product of mean and product of extreme we should find. Product of extreme, 27 4s are 4 7s are 28, 2 4 2s are 8, 9 10 is equal to 12 9s are product of mean, 12 9s are 108. So both are same, means they are in proportion. Product of mean and product of extreme we should check. So here also product of extreme, 6 5s are 30, then 15 2s are 30. Product of mean and product of extreme are same here, so it means they are in proportion. If product of mean and product of extreme is same, then they are in proportion, otherwise they are not in proportion. Okay. Now create proportion from the given set of numbers. Here set of numbers are given, so this set of numbers we should create in a proportion. So see here, so how to create? 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. So that means they are in proportion only. They are in proportion only. So we can write 3:2 and 7 is to 14. 7 is to 14. So already, so these numbers are in proportion only. So if you means product of mean and product of extreme, so then you will get the same only. So no, 3, so once you check, 3 14s are 7 2s are, 3 14s are 7 2s are. Yeah, 3 is to not 2, 3 is to 6. 3 is to 6 is equal to 7 is to 14. So 3 2s are 6, 7 2s are 14. So they are in proportion. So in the same way, so here 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. These are also in proportion. So 2 is to 6 and 5 is to 15. 5 is to 15. Now, so now how they are in proportions? See here, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. So we should take these two first. 7 is to 14 and 2 is to 4. They are in proportion. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now here also, so to take in proportion, how? So 2 by 1, so 1 is to 2 and 2 is to 4. So 1 is to 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So they are in proportion. So like this. Now here, so how they are in proportion? 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. 5 is to 10, 5 is to 10 and 4 is to 8. 4 is to 8. 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now the next here, how it is? So 8 and 3, 3 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 8 is to 12, 4 2s are 4 3s are, 3 is to 2, means 2 is to 3, we can take 2 is to 3, 2 is to 3 and 8 is to 12, 8 is to 12. If you cancel with it 4 table, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are, then you will get 2 is to 3 only. So these are in proportion, these are in proportion. Okay. Now here, unknown term we should find. How to find unknown term? So here, so x by 3 is equal to 2 by 6. Now you transpose 3 here, so that will get in numerator. X is equal to 2 into 3 by 6. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6. 2 1s are, 2 1s are. That implies x value is completely get cancelled, means x is 1. Okay. Now here, so in the next one, 4 by 2 is equal to x by 1. X by 1 means x only. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, here 1. 2 by 1 means 2. 2 is equal to x. That means x value is 2. No need to take by 1. Now here, 3 by x is equal to 2 by 4. Now cross multiplication. 3 into 4 is equal to 2 into x. 2 into, now you transpose to here. 3 into 4 by 2 is equal to x. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 3 2s are 6. Our x value is 6. Okay. So now next one. So here, so another method also we can follow. So product of mean is equal to product of extreme we can take. So 9 into x is equal to 3 into 3. 9x is equal to 3 3s are 9. 9 get cancelled, x value is 1. In this way also you can do. Now here also, product of mean 2 into x, 2x is equal to 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. So if you want to take in detail, then write in detail. 2 into x is equal to 7 into 4. So now if you take x is equal to 7 into 4 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Now here also same. Product of mean is equal to product of extreme. That is x into 10 is equal to 5 into 6. Then now transpose 10 here. X is equal to 5 into 6 by 10. 5 1s are, 5 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Our x value is 3. Now product of mean is equal to product of extreme, that is x into 4 is equal to 8 into 2. Now you take 4 there. X is equal to 8 into 2 by 4. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Then x is 2 2s are 4. Okay. Okay students. Purple paint contains, this is purple paint. This is purple paint. In this purple paint contains blue paint and red paint. Here I took pink chalk. Actually this is red paint. Red paint, blue paint. So in 3:2 ratio. 3 red paint buckets and 2 blue color buckets. So makes in purple color. Okay. So in that purple color buckets, so 3 red color buckets and 2 blue color paint is there. If 4 blue color buckets were there, then how many red color bucket we need? For 2 blue we need 3. For 4 we need 6. For 2 3. For these 2, so we should draw 3 red color, and for these 2 again we should draw 3. Means 3 plus 3 6 red colors we should draw. Okay, so how many red color we should draw? So 3 plus 3 6 buckets we should draw. Okay, so this is first bucket, red color bucket. This is our red color bucket. So this is one more red color bucket and one more red color bucket. So this is for these 2 buckets, and another 2 buckets, more 3 red color buckets we should draw. Okay, so this is 6 red color buckets and 4. If it is in 2:3 ratio, means 3:2 ratio, 3 red and 2 blue, so that is in one purple color bucket. So in the same way, if 4 blue colors were given, then how many red color we need? So for these 2 blue colors we need 3 red colors, and for again these 2 blue colors again we need 3 purple, means red color. 3 plus 3 total 6 red colors we need for 4 blue colors, so that is in purple color bucket. Okay.